For those of us who trade, one of the most critical elements, almost the holding ground for trades, is price, volume, and time. Now, usually when you run a trade, you look at the price and you say, okay, things are going fine. So we'll talk about price, volume, time in combination, but I want to start with price, because price is perhaps the most important indicator whether you have an uptrend and whether you can run a trade. And remember, you're an individual investor, so you certainly don't want to be the first one actually getting into the markets. Let the market run a little bit. You don't want to be holding the baby with the bathtub. You just basically want to be there to make money. So how do we do that? Essentially price movements are very tricky. Remember, there can be what we call one-time price movements, which is an institutional investor trying to buy a big lot of stock, and so for 3-4 days the price kind of shows an uptrend. That kind of price movement is not a great trade, so you want to avoid that kind of buying. Except if you're day trading, and we'll talk about that. The second kind of price movement you see is because all of a sudden some group of operators, manipulators, maybe even individual traders have gotten interested in some stock because the volume's low, but that kind of move doesn't last either. The perfect move that you're looking for is a move where the stock continues to increase in price, not for a week, not for a month, not for 3 months, but actually for a pretty extended period of time, with very few moments when the stock drops. Essentially, it continues to rise, but it drops once in a while. That's the kind of trend you want to catch. Well, it's like a surfer, right? If you want to surf, you need a wave. You can't have a wave that goes up and goes back and it goes up. You need a wave that's pretty much consistent, takes you right across. That's the kind of surf, or that's the kind of wave you're looking for. So when you're actually trading on price, you want to see price movement that's consistent over a period of time. Of course, we'll talk about how volume and time kind of add into this. Now, you don't want price movements that basically happen, let's say for 3 days the stock goes up, and on the 4th day it kind of goes into a downward freeze and essentially loses most of its value. That's not the kind of price movement you want. You want a price movement where no matter what the price, it seems like more and more buyers are accumulating. That's the important factor, and price is critical element 1 as far as charts are concerned. Of course, we will discuss critical element 2 or 3 or the other 2 legs of the stool, which is volume and time, in one of the episodes.